Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mulkura Education System. Today our topic is verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word that tells an action. A verb that tells what we do. For example, jump, run, play are action words. He sits in the grass. The word sits is a word that tells an action. Sits is a verb. I jumped in the air. The word jump is a word that tells an action. Jump is a verb. I run outside. The word run is a word that tells an action. Run is a verb. She reads a book. The word reads is a word that tells an action. Reads is a verb. The kids play in the sand. The word play is a word that tells an action. Play is a verb. They eat ice cream. The word eat is a word that tells an action. Eat is a verb. The boy sleeps in his bed. The word sleeps is a word that tells an action. Sleep is a verb. You can find verbs in sentences. Let us read the sentence below. The dogs chews a bone. The word chew is a verb. Can you find the verb? We run up the hill. Yes, the word run is a verb. He climbs the steps. The word climbs is a verb. We swims in the pool. The word swim is a verb. Hope you have fun learning verbs with me. Thank you for watching the video.